Standard 8, Subject General Science, Lesson number 16, Reflection of Light. Reflection of reflected light. Let us see an example. How do you see if the barber in a salon has cut the hair on your neck properly or not? Can you tell how you could see the hair at the back side of your head? Yes. The image of the back of your head is formed in the mirror at the back. The image of this image is formed in the mirror in front of you. So that's why we are able to see our hair on the neck. In this example, light can be reflected several times. Now let us see one more example. Have you ever seen the image of the moon in water? How do you see the image of the moon which is so far from us in water? The moon does not have its own. The moon is not self-luminous. The moon reflects the sunlight falling on its surface. The reflected light is again reflected by the water to give us the image of the moon. In this way, light can be reflected several times. Now, based on this principle, there are some devices which are working on this principle. Let us see them one by one. The first one is kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscopes are formed due to the reflection by the three mirrors. You can see different design in the kaleidoscope. The specialty of a kaleidoscope is that the design do not easily repeat themselves. The viewer looks in from one end and light enter from the other end, reflecting off the mirror. The reflection bounces back and forth from side to side, creating multiple images. It is important to understand that the design do not easily repeat themselves. That means every time we turn the kaleidoscope, the design is different. Let us see one more example. Take a plastic bottle. Cut this bottle obliquely from the two ends, that is upper end and lower end, and place the two mirrors so that they make an angle of 45 degrees with the side of the bottle. Make two windows of 1 inch each near the two mirrors. Now see through the bottom windows. Make note of what you see. From the bottom window, one can see what is in front of the top window. Now this type of device is called as a periscope. This is based on the principle of multiple reflection. Now this is used in the submarine to see objects above the surface of the water. It is also used to observe and keep a watch on the object or person on the ground from an underground bunker. Now kaleidoscope and periscope both are the properties used, that is reflection of light. So students, that's all in this video. Thank you.